Hey friends, an image speaks louder than words. And if it is an interactive image, it is going to be 1000, 10,000 times more effective than words. Look at this demo image. This is a very interactive image, and just hovering is saying everything about this image, what tutorial we can learn, what this image is trying to say. Let me show you some more example. Let us check this engineering image. So on Hoover, it is showing the tooltip, and even this is menu for showing the tooltip. And this is again a wonderful thing. So this is showing the floor plans on the real estate image. Is not it wonderful? Yes, it is. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create interactive SVG images within WordPress dashboard using a simple tool. Yes, so this is going to be very important when you are adding interactive images at your website, and it is going to be a super tool for you, and you don't need any coding skill for creating such image. You don't need any designing skill. So this is a plugin, and it is called Image Map Pro. This is a very popular plugin, and you can see number of sales it has received. So it is a popularly known plugin for creating interactive images. You can say map or the tutorials and everything. And I have already shown you some examples, and you can go through the details through the video description link. And I'm going to show you the backend, how you can create interactive images using this tool. So I have already installed this premium wonderful plugin, and I'm ready to launch the editor here. So you can simply buy the plugin through the video description link. That is an affiliate link. And once you buy the plugin through affiliate link, it is available just for $39. This is amazingly at low price. So why this is low price? Its output is really very good. So you can create hundreds of images. You can use this tool for creating SVG images, as many as you want. So just $39 through the video description link. And once you buy the plugin, you can start creating wonderful interactive images. And yes, in case you have any trouble, you have any question, you can simply get in touch with us on a live chat here with a mentor. So here it is, and I'm going to launch the editor without any delay. This is a map here. So I'll create a new one for you. So this may be very clear. So yes, so artboard is here. So we can create new image as we need. So first thing, you can upload your own image. It is very clear. So I'm going to show you all the tools, but let us do some illustrations so that we may understand how the system, how the backend is working properly. Like I'm adding a country, or okay, so I will show you demos first. So real estate can be good, or the education, let us see. This is going to be amazing. So this is the demo image that we seen earlier in this video, and you can simply add the details of the image sections, and you can do everything. Like you have all the tools here, so you can add spots without any doubt. So this is how you can simply add spots, and you can write paragraph, heading, button, everything. So like if you want to add a button, you can simply add a button here. You can change the style of button. So it is, yes, it is very clear, background colors, border radius and everything. And inline blocks can be changed, the color, size and widget, and simply save the button once you add using the save tool, and you can have a preview how it looks. So it is clear, button is added here. So it is very simple to use. You can do n number of interactions with this, and you can create new polys. Like if you are using the poly tool, so you can design the new area, you can create new areas and rectangle, ellipse and the spot. So you have all the tools, as you can draft new things and cover new areas for illustration and detailing purposes. So this is just an example image. You can always create your own image. You can always create details and interactive image using your own image. So you can simply load new or like uh, import new image using this tool, and you can simply import image map or all the things. And for that, once you create the image, this is available for exporting in SVG format. So exported JSON file is here, and you can use this image anywhere. Yes. So throughout the WordPress website, it is very clear. But yes, it is the output image is in SVG format. So it is going to be a tool for you for creating SVG images. So if we talk about the settings that we can go for using, like we have multiple settings before we start creating images, like we can enable the full screen or objects mode. So flash objects mode, grow, fade and fall down. Tooltips we can set enable here. So like mouse over and the click tooltips can be enabled, and the mobile only, and the rest of settings can be done. So whatever you want. So zooming effect and the object list can be enabled, like we can enable the object list just in case if you want to create borders and all. So object list can be here. So and you can go for creating the object list and always. So you have all the options, like you can use the custom codes and even the defaults one. So multiple settings can help you in making the tool for you. Like this is object list we created and just enabled. So object list is available here. So now it is showing the all the objects that have been used on the images. So it is very easy to use tool, and you can use the imported elements throughout the image. Like we use a spot, so it is here, and the imported images types are here, and artboard can be directly used for creating new things. And you can go for using this tool for deciding the details and writing the details. Like if you want to add like poly, like poly is a tool, so through it you can draft new shapes and figure like this, and you can draft new shapes and area, and you can further use the zoom in and you can add new details here. So it is really very interactive. So you can write new paragraph and you can put all the details. You can start writing here, and in the selected area you can put the details that you want to show on the images. So it is definitely the demo images are for illustration purposes only, and it is a good idea to load your own image and start creating a very interactive SVG images using this tool. So there are many tools as I shown you. So we can come back here. So I will show you all again. So you can add a spots, rectangular tool, eclipse tool, on poly tool. So you can draw polygons. So this is very helpful tool in deciding the area. And further you can write things, and you can use the SVG image as well. So you can import the SVG images, and for optimal results it is recommended to export from Figma. So it is really very effective tool again. And we have the pan canvas tools, the zoom in and zoom out, so we can enable the sidebars and all. Settings, export and all. So even the dark and light mode is available just in case if you want to switch in the dark and light mode. So this is a complete comprehensive tool for creating interactive image map, or map, not just map. You can create any type of image that is going to be super interactive. And while creating the images, don't forget to save every time when you add new elements. So once you add elements, move elements, click on the save here, and it should be always on tick mark. So default stylings and the mouse over stylings can be added, icon can be added, tooltips can be added, and the actions can be added here. Yes, action as well. So there are many options that you can go for a single interaction. So you can definitely create an image that is more informative than a video as well. So now I think I should not attach this video, because ultimately you have to create your own images, and I am ready to answer your further questions just in case. So write in the comment section or get in touch with us on a live chat, and we are going to support you in every manner in creating these interactive images. Even for any question related to WordPress website, if you are looking for a solution that you are really willing to add at your WordPress website that can be helpful for other visitors as well, I'm going to create a new video and release the video on this channel itself. So I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel, and you are already watching the episodes and the videos coming on this channel. So this is going to be amazing in all requirements. And yes, so you can see the detailing. So I'm very much impressed with the tool. Well, this is why it's going to be there. So in the interactive map of India, so you can use direct maps of countries, like we can use, like this is the India map, we can and go for detailing and all. So on the floor size and all JavaScript, you can check all these details, and I believe you can do at your own. Again, for any support, we are here. So in the next video, I'm coming with more tools. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.